Sanibone Makai, igama lami Scelo Ngubane. I'm an inspirational speaker. Today I'm going to be speaking about a story of a builder. The builder one day was caught. He was caught by surprise. The builder was asked to come and build, but in his heart he has retired. He was tired of building houses for people. Everybody who had a house in that village will point out the builder and say, that builder there is the one that has built my house. But the builder did not have a house of his own. So one day, a rich man in the village came to the builder and said to him, "Man, can you please come and build a house for me? I know I'm being told you have retired, but please, can you just do me this favor and build this house for me? It's all I want you to do for me." The builder was reluctant, and in his mind he thought, I told this guy I've retired. He went, but his heart was no longer there. He started building. Even material that he was using was no longer strong material. But he thought to himself, I will tell him that I have retired. You forced me to build the house for you. He started building. When he completed the building, even though he was not satisfied with the quality of the building, he took the keys to the owner of the house and said to the rich man, here are the keys to your house. You can go and check it. And the rich man said, man, this house that you're building is my gift to you. You've been building houses for many people, but I realize you don't have a house of your own. The builder was so disappointed. When he looked at himself, he said, I could have put at the best of myself because this I'm doing for myself. I want to encourage you that sometimes people have succeeded before you. Some people, when you look at them, they are ahead of you. All you've been doing is building other people. And sometimes when you look at your life, you are ashamed. You look at yourself, you feel there's no value at you. There's no content of quality. Because when you look at yourself, nobody has ever built a house for you. I want to encourage you that whatever that you are doing, put more of love to it. You are building yourself. You are doing it for yourself. Be encouraged. Be motivated. Be inspired. Whatever small thing that you're doing, even if whatever person is asking you to do work for them, and that work is going to make them shine, make them shine. Some will forget you. Some will not even point you to say, that's a person that has built me. Do it because you are doing it for yourself. May God bless you. I hope you are inspired and motivated by today's talk. Thank you.